is Catherine Hishka, and I am a third-year pharmacy student at the U of S. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about pharmacy and life as a student. When I came out of high school, I went straight into the College of Kinesiology, as I knew I wanted to do something in healthcare, although I did not know what I wanted to do. So after 4 years, I obtained my Bachelor's of Science in Kinesiology, where I was able to explore and determine what career path I wanted to do. So this gave me some learning opportunity and allowed me to grow more as a person as well as a student, and ultimately led me to the position I am today, which is in pharmacy, going into a future career as a pharmacist. So I chose pharmacy because I wanted to be in healthcare as well as work collaboratively with others, as well as help my patients and discuss treatment options and kind of see that progression of them getting better or finding opportunities to either make their life easier or to help them within their care. So currently I am in my third year of pharmacy, and it is a 4-year program. As well, there is 2 years of prerequisites to get into the College of Pharmacy. So 3 of those years are in class and in school learning, as well the last year, the 4th year, is all placements. So life as a pharmacy student is quite busy, as any other healthcare professional college or any other healthcare student would say. As well, it has been extremely rewarding. So I have been able to have multiple experiences within pharmacy, both as working as well as for school. So in between your first and your second year, there is a community placement for 1 month where you are able to kind of put your knowledge to the test and kind of get an opportunity to be immersed within the community pharmacy, and is a great learning opportunity. As well, I was able to have a career, a job in working currently as a pharmacy student in a clinic, which has allowed me to increase my knowledge as well as just make further connections, with other pharmacists as well as with patients. And then between your second and your third year, you are able to work in a hospital. And that has been, very eye-opening as well as very beneficial, as I was initially interested in pharmacy, so I found that it was a great learning opportunity to kind of see what hospital practice is all about. And this past summer, I was also able to work in a hospital alongside some of the pharmacy technicians, where I was able to see what they do and kind of gain a better understanding of hospital practice. And I know I'm looking forward to my final year in pharmacy, where I'll be able to expand my knowledge further and kind of gain insight as what a future pharmacist and career in pharmacy will have. There are a variety of paths in pharmacy and a variety of careers that you can choose. Some of them include working in a hospital, working in a specialized clinic, working in a community pharmacy, working in research, or as well working with various associations, such as PAS, as well as working with the government. So just some resources. So at the University of Saskatchewan, there is a pre-pharmacy club. So this club is made up of pharmacy students, and it is a club that they meet quite regularly, and they'll go through the admission process as well as kind of their insight. They also bring in practicing pharmacists as well as professors that you can ask questions to, and just kind of gain a better understanding about life in the college as well as future pharmacy careers and what it's like to kind of be a pharmacist. And then there is their email as well. And I also recommend going to the University of Saskatchewan College of Pharmacy and Nutrition website. And this website will just kind of give you a look at, the admissions, as well as tuition and just any other aspect that you may be wondering about the college. And finally, I did talk a little bit before about having a mentor, and I know I had some mentors who were in school, and then they are now in a career as a pharmacist, and I still continue to, ask them questions and kind of talk with them just about how life is progressing from a student to being a practicing pharmacist. So I left my email there. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I will try and answer them the best I can, or kind of guide you in the correct direction, either for resources or kind of who to talk to. I know it is a very rewarding career that I've seen so far just in my short time in school. As well, I would say to make those connections with pharmacists or pharmacy students. I definitely have numerous pharmacy mentors in my life that before going into the college, I reached out to them and kind of allowed them, gave them some questions that I had, and kind of just was able to talk a little bit about their career and just kind of gain some guidance about what pharmacists do. So I believe that making those connections and having those mentors in your life is extremely beneficial, and they're people who I still reach out to and talk with almost every day. As well, another piece of advice I would have is to always keep an open mind. I know you kind of see the different paths and the different, careers that pharmacists have, and it's very eye-opening to see how much pharmacists can do and what they have to offer.